Hello guys, welcome to our channel. On today's video tutorial I'll show you how you can make a duet video on TikTok. So yeah, you can invite your friend, and make a combined video of both of you. So let's get started. The first one is download and install the TikTok application. Even if you don't have account, you'd be able to enjoy a lots of videos. So suppose this video I want to make a duet with her. So what I'm gonna do is, on the right side you can see four different options, right? First one is her profile, second one is how much likes you receive, third one is for how much comment are there, and fourth one is for the share. Just tap on that. All right, so as you can see there's an option for duet just below on this first one on the second row. All right, so just tap on that, so the video will process. All right, okay, so the video is still processing. Yeah, once the processing is done, it will open your camera and you can do a duet with her. All right, so yeah, on the right side it's her video and on the left side it's my video. So I'll just get recording, I'll get started recording. Yeah, and once the top bar comes to the end, the video will be completed and I can use this video as a duet. And I can use other option like effects, I can edit the speed and it's everything. So once it is done, I'll just go with next, and then finally I would be able to post. So that's how you can create a duet video on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching.